Hello everyone, welcome back. Right now, let's practice English with me.
This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word came, in the middle of the word lucky, at the end of the word sick, and at the beginning and end of the word clock. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Came, lucky, sick, clock. Okay. This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word glue, in the middle of the word struggle, at the end of the word bag, and at the beginning and end of the word gig. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Glue,
Blue,
struggle,
soccer,
bag,
bag,
gig.
gig,
Okay.
car, coffee, cook, cat, matrix,
Secret.
secret, cupcake, keep, key, key,
Kitchen.
kitchen, like, walk, black, a black car, coffee, cupcake. I like cooking. The cat is walking in the kitchen.
Keep the magic key in a secret place.
Keep the magic key in the secret place. Keep the magic key in the secret place. Green,
Grass.
grass, garden,
Gray.
ray, gray, gray,
Gorgeous.
gorgeous, girl,
Goose.
goose, go, golden,
Hungry.
hungry, bag, dog, egg, Big. Green grass. The girl is going to the big garden. The goose laid these golden eggs. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.